Today, they killed this reverend. They killed this reverend, they burned this reverend. Terrorists in Nigeria. And this is not the first day or second day they are doing this in Nigeria. Every day by day, they are doing this in Nigeria, killing Christians in Nigeria, killing people in Nigeria, and our leaders are keeping quiet. Since 2009, they clean us and do anything, and you people cannot even secure us, do anything. Allow the United Nations, allow the world to come to fight these terrorists. Why? You people will not allow them? Because you people are the same people that are sponsoring these terrorists in Nigeria. Allow them to come, allow them to come, allow them, politicians in Nigeria, both the president of Nigeria, open your mouth and say to the world leaders, please, you people should come and help us to fight these terrorists. You people cannot say it because you people are sponsoring these terrorists. Why can't you people call the United Nations, call the world leaders to come and help us to fight these terrorists? You people cannot do it because you people are sponsoring these terrorists in Nigeria. They are killing us every day by day in Nigeria. And when you people will travel outside the country, when Nigeria politicians will travel to have meeting with the United Nations, they will say to the United Nations, no, we can take care of these terrorists. No, you people should not come and help us. But when they will come to Nigeria, they will keep quiet and terrorists are killing us because they are the people that are sponsoring these terrorists. I want to beg the United Nations, I want to beg the world leaders, please, you people should come and help Christians in Nigeria. You people should come. Leave our leaders. Our leaders are killing us. They are the people that are sponsoring these terrorists. Please, you people should come and take action in Nigeria. Number one thing that all the Nigerians, all the Christians in Nigeria, what we do is all of us to rise up, to tell all these politicians to stop sponsoring terrorists in Nigeria. Let's rise up and tell them because these people are our problem. They are our problem. Let's rise up and do it. Let's rise up and do it because more we keep quiet, more than kill us. If they will arrest us, let arrest every Nigerians. Let arrest every Christians in Nigeria. This screen is getting worse and worse every day. What are you telling me? How can our leaders are killing us? We are keeping quiet. And when they kill a pastor from Pentecostal church, that pastors, their members will rise up and say, no, we don't agree. When they kill a Catholic church member, the Catholic people will rise up, say we don't agree. No, let's stop all these things. Human being and human being, whether it's an unbeliever or an unbeliever, let us rise up because their target is to wipe away Christians in Nigeria. So let's rise up. Nigeria will talk too much. If in Ghana where this thing they happen, I waiting Ghana people with all the youth in Ghana will rise up. Pursue all these leaders, bad leaders that are sponsoring these terrorists. They will pursue them out on Ghana. And we know the politicians, we know all these politicians that are sponsoring these terrorists in Nigeria. What are we keeping quiet? Let's rise up and tell them to stop what they are doing. Let's rise up and tell them to stop what they are doing. We know them. If they will arrest, let's arrest all the Nigerians. Because more we keep quiet, more than kill us. Killing everywhere, both east, west, and north. They are taking over everywhere, and we're keeping quiet. It's the time that all the pastors in Nigeria, Reverend Father, Bishop, let's rise up. So what are we going to do is for us to rise up to pray against them. Because they are killing millions of Nigeria. How can few people gang up together, decided what will happen to millions of Nigeria, decided to control millions of Nigeria, decided to reduce our population, decided to kill people they want to kill? Who give them power? Who give them power to do so? Who give them power? So let's Christians in Nigeria, let's rise up and do what we're supposed to do, because this crime is getting worse and worse every day. Let's rise up and do what we're supposed to do. This thing must stop. This killing must stop. It must stop. What do you mean by that? Few people will decide what will happen in this country. Who give you the authority? Who give you the power? And I want to warn all these politicians, you people, listen to me. Very soon the wrath of God will fall upon your family. This blood that you people have shed in this country, very soon this blood will start fighting against your children that you send outside Nigeria to study. Very soon this blood that you people are killing will fight you people.